recap. One, the traffic has become stagnant. The second marketer has a problem, which was conversion rate was very low. And the third one was that the return customers were not enough. So this is a very basic exercise when it comes to about integrated digital marketing. Let's say if your traffic has become stagnant using SEO, you need to go ahead and start putting in more channels into the picture. Could be social media, could be email marketing, could be anything else. Number two, if the conversion rate was very low, then you have to again integrate multiple channels so that your all of the channels combined provide a better conversion rate to you. And whenever you're talking about return customers are not enough, then in that particular case, I believe they are not doing the email marketing properly. Because if somebody is buying from your website, I'm assuming that they're giving you their email ID. And if they're not giving, and if they're not running promotions on the emails, then in that particular case, I think the return customers are not coming because of that.